The Iboga plant, native to the dense rainforests of Central Africa, has long been revered by local communities for its unique properties. Traditionally, it has played a significant role in spiritual and medicinal practices, especially among the Bwiti people. In recent years, the plant's remarkable qualities have sparked curiosity beyond its indigenous roots, drawing attention from researchers, wellness seekers, and cultural enthusiasts worldwide. This growing global intrigue has led to a renewed focus on the careful curation and sustainable use of Iboga. The Iboga plant is native to the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa, where it thrives in humid, shaded environments. It typically grows as a small shrub or bush, reaching heights of up to 2 meters, and prefers well-drained, nutrient-rich soils. Iboga plays a significant role within the rainforest ecosystem by providing food and shelter for various insects and small animals. Its berries are consumed by birds, which help disperse the seeds and promote the plant's propagation. Additionally, Iboga contributes to the overall biodiversity and stability of its native habitat, supporting complex ecological interactions among plants, animals, and microorganisms. Iboga has long held profound importance among indigenous peoples of Central Africa, particularly within the Bwiti spiritual tradition. For centuries, the root bark of the Iboga plant has been used in initiation ceremonies, healing rituals, and as a means of connecting with ancestral spirits. Within Bwiti, Iboga is considered a sacred tool that facilitates deep introspection and spiritual insight. Its use is deeply woven into cultural identity, guiding moral values and community cohesion. The reverence for Iboga underscores its enduring role as both a spiritual sacrament and a symbol of cultural heritage. Iboga holds a central place in the spiritual and cultural life of Bwiti communities in Central and West Africa. Traditionally, it is used in initiation ceremonies, where participants consume the root to embark on a profound journey of self-discovery and connection with ancestral spirits. These rites of passage are considered essential for personal growth and integration into the community. Beyond initiation, Iboga is also employed in healing rituals, where it is believed to cleanse the body and mind, address spiritual imbalances, and facilitate communication with the spirit world. Through these practices, Iboga serves as both a sacrament and a tool for guidance, healing, and communal bonding. The preparation of Iboga for ritual use is a meticulous process, guided by traditions that have been handed down through generations. Elders and healers carefully harvest the root bark, often selecting plants at specific stages of maturity to ensure potency. The bark is then dried, ground, and sometimes mixed with other natural ingredients, depending on the particular customs of the community. During ceremonies, the administration of Iboga is overseen by experienced practitioners who determine the appropriate dosage for each participant. This deep reservoir of ancestral knowledge ensures that the ritual remains both safe and spiritually meaningful. Iboga is renowned for its powerful psychoactive effects, which have been central to traditional spiritual practices in Central and West Africa. Users often describe intense visionary experiences, including vivid imagery, deep introspection, and encounters with ancestral spirits. These journeys are said to provide profound personal insights, emotional healing, and a sense of connection to the broader community. The onset of Iboga's effects can be physically demanding, sometimes accompanied by nausea or dizziness, but many traditional users regard these challenges as part of the transformative process. Overall, the subjective experiences with Iboga are deeply personal and often described as life-changing. Iboga, a plant native to Central Africa, first captured Western attention during the late 19th century. Early explorers and missionaries encountered its use among the Bwiti people, who revered it for its spiritual and medicinal properties. Ethnobotanists soon followed, documenting the plant's role in traditional ceremonies and its psychoactive effects. This sparked initial scientific curiosity, leading researchers to begin isolating its active compounds and speculating about its potential applications. These early investigations laid the groundwork for further study and eventual interest in Iboga's therapeutic possibilities. Ibogaine is the main active compound found in the Tabernanthe iboga plant, native to Central Africa. Scientists first isolated ibogaine in the early 20th century, allowing researchers to study its chemical structure and properties in detail. As its effects became better understood, ibogaine started to draw interest for its unique impact on the brain and nervous system. Researchers noticed that it could induce powerful psychological experiences and, intriguingly, might help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms in people struggling with addiction. This potential for therapeutic use sparked further investigation into how ibogaine could be applied in clinical settings. Modern scientific research into ibogaine has revealed promising results, particularly in the field of addiction treatment. Several studies have shown that ibogaine may help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings in individuals struggling with opioid, cocaine, and alcohol dependence. Researchers have also explored ibogaine's effects on the brain, noting its influence on neurotransmitter systems involved in reward and motivation. While early findings are encouraging, scientists emphasize the need for further clinical trials to fully understand ibogaine's safety profile and long-term neurological impacts. Ongoing research continues to investigate how ibogaine might be integrated into broader addiction treatment strategies. Iboga's use has sparked significant controversy and debate around the world. Its legal status varies widely, with some countries classifying it as a controlled substance due to concerns about safety and potential misuse. Medical experts have raised alarms about possible side effects, including heart complications and psychological risks, especially when used outside of clinical supervision. Ethical questions also arise regarding the appropriation of traditional practices and the commercialization of a sacred plant. These challenges highlight the need for careful regulation, further research, and respectful engagement with indigenous knowledge. Throughout history, Iboga has captivated a diverse range of individuals, from dedicated scientists to spiritual seekers. Some researchers have devoted their careers to understanding the plant's unique properties and its potential to treat addiction and mental health challenges. Meanwhile, countless seekers have journeyed to Central Africa, hoping to experience personal transformation or profound insight through traditional Iboga ceremonies. Their stories often speak of deep healing, newfound clarity, and a renewed sense of purpose. Together, these narratives reveal the powerful allure of Iboga and its enduring impact on those who encounter it. The Iboga plant, native to Central and West Africa, faces increasing pressure due to its growing popularity for medicinal and psychoactive uses worldwide. As demand rises, wild populations are threatened by overharvesting and habitat loss, leading to concerns about the species' long-term survival. Conservationists are working to protect Iboga by promoting sustainable harvesting practices and supporting cultivation initiatives. Efforts also include raising awareness among local communities and international stakeholders about the importance of preserving natural habitats. These strategies aim to balance global demand with the need to maintain healthy Iboga populations in the wild. Sourcing Iboga raises important ethical questions, particularly regarding its effects on indigenous communities who have traditionally used the plant for spiritual and medicinal purposes. Unsustainable harvesting can threaten local ecosystems and disrupt the cultural practices of these communities. It is essential to prioritize fair compensation and respectful engagement with indigenous peoples when sourcing Iboga. Sustainable practices, such as cultivation and regulated harvesting, help protect both the environment and the cultural heritage tied to the plant. By considering these factors, we can support ethical and responsible use of Iboga. The journey of the Iboga plant continues to captivate and intrigue, weaving together threads of tradition, science, and spirituality. For centuries, indigenous communities have revered Iboga for its profound spiritual significance and healing properties. Today, researchers and practitioners explore its potential in modern medicine, seeking to unlock its secrets while honoring its cultural roots. Despite growing scientific interest, much about Iboga remains shrouded in mystery, inviting ongoing curiosity and respect. This convergence of ancient wisdom and contemporary inquiry highlights the plant's enduring legacy and the promise it holds for the future.